keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning.
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 5th Subject Environmental Studies Part 1 Topic Transport Part 1. Let us start, students. As we all know, there are various modern means of transport available. They have advantages and disadvantages too. So students, let us start. As you all can see on the picture, you can see that walking takes most of the time and you have to put a labor to carry your own things from one place to another. Using a vehicle saves time and effort. You must have also realized that we need to use fuels in automobiles. This causes air and noise pollution. It means that different modes of transport have different advantages and disadvantages. In today's high-speed world, we have to depend on several modes of travel and transportation of goods. Modern means of transport have many advantages, students. Let us understand one by one. What are the advantages of modern means of transport? As we all know, students, we are using modern means of transport. The work will get done sooner. The next point over here is time and efforts are also saved. As we are using, students, modern means of transport, trade is facilitated. Different parts of the world are now connected due to transport facilities. As due to such type of facilities available, the transport of goods even on a global level has been simple and easy. The another advantage over here is, as so many things are easily available, the lifestyle of a people has improved. The facilities of the tourism, health, education, etc. have become speedier. Due to the various means of transport, the world has come closer, students. This all we have seen were the advantages of modern means of transport. Let us go ahead, students. As you can see in the picture, students, you can answer few questions of mine. Like, where have the children stopped? The children have stopped at the zebra crossing. Why they have stopped? Because they wanted to cross the road. You can see what trouble is facing by them, as there is lots of noise pollution, sound pollution and air pollution. They are not able to cross the road. In the next picture, you also can see that the difference between the plants close to the road and those are far away from the road. You can clearly notice. You can see the freshness of leaves that are closer to the road are not much as compared those who are far away. Same way, you can see the change in the color of the leaves, the appearance of the plants. This is all due to pollution. So due to pollution, there is change in the color, appearance and also the freshness of the leaves, students. You must all have realized, students, that there is constant traffic on the busy roads. Due to the burning of fuel in the vehicles, they constantly emit smoke and some poisonous gases. These gases mainly include carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Similarly, Minute particles of carbon and lead are also released into the air. Students, an excess of these substances lowers the quality of air in the environment. This is what we call air pollution. So, due to all these gases, the air get polluted. Let us understand more, students. The air pollution affects animals, plants in the following ways. You can see here, students, the air pollution affects animals and plants in such a way that the first one is trachea, that is windpipe, lung and eye disorder, that is burning of the eyes. The second one over here, student, is the leaves of the plants shrivel up and fall. Sprouts get scorched and the growth and development of the plants is affected adversely. The next point over here is constant traffic through forest areas can harm the habitat of plants and animals living there. The wild animals in this forest begin to migrate elsewhere due to the pollution, students. The constant sound of vehicles create noise on the large scale and it causes ill effects such as restlessness, irritability, headache, lack of concentration, psychological disorder, etc. Students, if there are traffic jams, air and noise pollution in that area also increases. These all were the effects of air pollution on animals and plants. That's all for the day, students. Keep learning new things every day. Thank you.